Welcome to Earn More Better Future, where smart money moves lead to real change. Let's start building your better future today. Unlocking new ways to grow your money. An introduction to DeFi yields. Your money should work hard for you. Traditional bank accounts offer little interest. People are looking for new options. DeFi can help you earn yields. Think of yields like earning interest. However, DeFi yields can be much higher. This is a way to get passive income. Your digital money makes more digital money. You don't have to actively trade it. Imagine you are lending out your money, but you are not using a normal bank. Instead, you use special internet platforms. These platforms are built using blockchain. Blockchain supports a new financial system. We will look at how this works. This guide will explain DeFi in basic terms. We will show how you can start earning. Learning before you start is key. Knowledge will help you make good choices. So let's begin this learning journey. What exactly is this DeFi thing anyway? DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance. It means no single company is in charge. No central bank controls everything. This system is run by computer code. The code lives on a public blockchain. Many computers help keep it secure. Think about traditional banking systems. You have banks, brokers, and big firms. These are central points of control. DeFi wants to remove these middlemen. It uses something called smart contracts. Smart contracts are like automatic agreements. They execute deals directly between users. In the DeFi world, you can lend crypto. You can also borrow crypto assets. The main idea behind DeFi is freedom. Transactions are usually public on the blockchain. This new financial system is still young. Your first steps into earning with decentralized finance. Getting started with DeFi might seem scary, but we can break it into simple steps. First, you will need some cryptocurrency. Ethereum, or ETH, is a common choice, or you can use stablecoins. Stablecoins are pegged to assets like the dollar. You can buy crypto on exchanges. Next, you will need a digital wallet. It is a software program for your crypto. MetaMask is a very popular DeFi wallet. You install it in your web browser. Keep your wallet's secret recovery phrase safe. Once you have crypto in your wallet, you can explore different DeFi platforms. Aave and Compound are popular for lending. You can lend your crypto to earn interest. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, or DEX. On Uniswap, you can swap various cryptos. Always begin with only a small amount. Learn how everything works very carefully. The rewards and realities, weighing DeFi's pros and cons. One big appeal of DeFi is higher returns. The interest rates are often called yields. These yields can be much better than banks. Traditional savings accounts pay very little now. This is why many people explore DeFi. DeFi platforms can have lower costs. They don't need physical bank branches. This helps them offer better rates. DeFi also offers much greater accessibility. Anyone with an internet link can join. And a crypto wallet, of course. You often don't need lots of paperwork. Transactions can also be quite fast. They are processed by the blockchain network. However, DeFi also comes with big risks. This financial space is new and evolving. Smart contracts can sometimes have bugs. Hackers might try to exploit these bugs. The value of cryptocurrencies can be volatile. Rules from governments are not yet clear. It is vital to do your own research. For more tips, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Earn More Better Future. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next smart money tip. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your better future.